1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This one has one flat, and I don't know, you may have heard the song before or watched the movie, animation movie. This is the song now. So it's kind of interesting. Now let's figure it out, the pattern of left hand. First of all, whenever you see the song, you have to find what kind of chord is used. Now, one flat. Where? On B flat. But however, key means when we open the music, what kind of chord we will see first? F. If you have one flat, then it will be key of F. So we start with F, and then when we close the door, end with F. So that's what I mean. So F chord, do you see F, A, C? So this is F chord, F chord, F chord, F chord, F chord. And also this is F chord, F, A, C. The difference is you play a block at the same time, but this one is one at a time. Bum, bum, bum. We call broken chord, breaking up. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so everything's up, literally. Now, let's figure it out. What is the next chord? Do you remember the primary chord is most often used chord in the music? So F is the first one, king. And then, now, the second often used key will be number 5. So from the F, F, G, A, B, C, C chord. And then the next often used chord will be 4. F, G, A, B, B flat chord. So either B flat chord or C chord will be most often used, except F. Now let's see what kind of chord it is. We don't know yet, but let's see. B flat, D, and F. So B flat, D, F. This is the one. Okay, so we use a lot of fourth one instead of 5. Here we go. Lots of fourth one. That's all you have. So your first page is literally 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. We call 1, 4 chord is amen, 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 amen chord. So you see if we chord is 1, 4, 1. So the chord is F, and then the bottom stays top going on. Try it on your left. So what are we gonna do? We will do part 1, which is up to second page. Now, if we come to the second page, we'll do up to here. Second page, 2 lines. Now I noticed that here, B flat, every B has a flat. So right hand definitely, all the B's need to be flatted. And left hand also, all the B needs to be flatted. Where? Here, this much. So make sure that you don't leave it out any B flats. Got it? All these no. I circled the 1, 2, 3 in the left hand, then the first line, and then 1, 2 notes, and the second line, the right hand, 1, 2, and then 1. So make sure that you flatten everything. Okay? Meet the Flintstones, second page. Now, if you come, starting from here, FAC, this is F chord, blocking in, and then it's like broken. So block and broken, and you play. After that, your finger number 1, 2 is crossing over the 1, and play the C sharp, and skip down, and D, and step down to C and B, and then skip again. So left hand from here to this part is kind of keep changing. And then after that, the familiar first page is coming back again. So F chord, and then this is, what is it? B flat chord, which is fourth one, and then F and B flat again. So F, B flat. So they're just keep repeating from the same thing over again from the first page. So all you need to know the second line here, working on, and then also the difference is the very last one. So now if I explain it, this the last page, it will be sound like this. If I play it, I'm just explaining it again. This one. So if you go 1 and start over. And right after 4, popping like 1, 2, 3, 4, or the C should be held in longer. And after that is exactly the same as beginning. The last one is a little bit changing now. What's gonna happen? 3, 4, and you have to play finger number 1. Wow, pretty high. But don't up your elbow, lower your elbow, then it will be easier to play it. Move your wrist a little bit side and then get away. So practice this one couple of times. 1. And last note, you can cross it over, or you can roll it. So one of the hardest part is technically the very last one here. Ba 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 ba. Actually, from 3 note 4 1 4 3 4 1 4 here. So practice this one, and then the rhythmically it's hard to play it. Ba bum ba bum ba ba bum. This part. So just practice those 3 measures, and then here. Then it will be okay. And also, yes, there is another one and above it here. Here we go. Because of the left hand crossing it. Okay, so that's it.